Looking for a tangy twist to your Christmas dessert spread? Enter Cranberry Bliss Bars, a holiday favorite that marries tart cranberries and sweet white chocolate with a hint of orange zest. Stay tuned as we walk you through this easy recipe for a delightful Christmas dessert. To whip up these delicious bars, you'll need the following ingredients: some flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, brown sugar, butter, eggs, a dash of vanilla extract, white chocolate chips, dried cranberries, cream cheese, powdered sugar, orange extract, and additional cranberries for garnish. With these ingredients ready, you're set to begin. Begin by preheating your oven and preparing your baking pan. It's time to bring together all those wonderful ingredients that we've gathered. Start with the dry ones: flour, baking powder, a dash of salt, and don't forget that magical ingredient, sugar. Once they're happily mingling, it's time to introduce the wet brigade: melted butter, vanilla extract, and eggs. Stir them in gently, making sure every grain of flour feels the love. Next, spread this blissful batter into your prepared pan, smoothing it out to ensure a perfect bake. Pop it into your warm oven and let it bake until it turns a beautiful golden brown. And while our bars are basking in the oven's warmth, let's whip up some cream cheese frosting. Beat together cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, and a splash of vanilla until it's smooth as silk. Once your bars are cooled, spread this luscious frosting over the top and sprinkle a generous handful of tangy cranberries. And voila! Your Cranberry Bliss Bars are ready for the dessert spread. These festive Cranberry Bliss Bars are sure to add a tangy twist to your Christmas dessert spread. Remember, it's all about the balance of sweet and tart, creamy and crunchy. Don't be afraid to experiment. Toss in some nuts for an added crunch or swap the white chocolate for dark for an interesting flavor twist. With these bars, you're not just baking, you're creating edible holiday cheer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy baking and have a blissful Christmas.